Hello everyone, how are you? Are you ready to do your new task? Okay, that's right. So, first of all, I want you to go to page 56, and we're going to start doing exercise number 1. Here it is. Okay. This is a reading exercise, okay? So it says read and number. We have to read these sentences and then write numbers here in these squares, okay? So I'm going to read the sentences and I want you to read them aloud after me, okay? So we start with sentence number 1. It lives in the sea. It can count. Now you read it and write the number. 2. It lives in the jungle. It can speak. You read it and write the number. 3. It lives in the desert. It can drink 100 liters of water. Read it and then write the number. 4. It lives on the ice. It can swim very fast. Read it and now write the number. 5. It lives in the sea. It can change color. Read it and then write the number. 6. It lives in the forest. It can fly with 4 kilos of food. Read it and write the number. 7. It lives in the grasslands. It can sleep in trees. Now you have to read it and then write the number. 8. It lives in the grasslands. It sleeps standing up. You read it and write the number. Okay? Now we're going to do exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is a listening. It says listen and check. We have to listen and then check the answers in exercise number 1. Yes? I'm going to put the listening all together, but you can stop or you can repeat all the times you need. That's right. Are you ready? That's right. Go.
Listen and check. 1.
A dolphin lives in the sea. It can count.
2.
A parrot lives in the jungle. It can speak.
3.
A camel lives in the desert. It can drink 100 liters of water.
4.
A polar bear lives on the ice. It can swim very fast.
5.
An octopus lives in the sea. It can change color.
6.
An eagle lives in the forest. It can fly with 4 kilograms of food.
7.
A lion lives in the grasslands. It can sleep in trees.
8.
A zebra lives in the grasslands. It sleeps standing up.
That's right. So now we go to exercise number 3. This is a game that you can play with your pop-outs. If you want, you can play it at home with your parents, but if not, don't worry, because we are going to practice it in our class online, okay? In our speaking class online. Don't worry about it. So now we go to page 57 and we're going to do exercise number 1. It's a reading exercise 2. We wait because it's very slow. Okay, I think I'm going to close it and I'm going to explain it here. Yes, it says read and do the quiz. So we have to read this test and then read these sentences and complete the blanks and circle the correct answers. Okay, I'm going to read it aloud. It says, Endangered Animals Quiz. Many animals on Earth are disappearing. These animals are endangered. The giant panda, gorilla, and blue whale are endangered animals. Let's protect these animals and the places where they live. Number 1. This animal, is an endangered animal. It lives in the forest or in the desert. What do you think? It eats meat or plants and insects. You should circle the answer that you think is correct. Number 2, the name for this animal is an endangered animal. It lives in the sea or in the jungle. I think it's clear. It eats small sea animals or meat. So you should circle the answer that you think is correct. 3, the is an endangered animal. It lives in the forest or on the ice. It eats, I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay, it eats plants or fish. You circle what you think is correct. And now we're going to exercise number 2, that is a listening. And you should listen and check your answers. So I'm going to put the listening and you can check your answers from exercise number 1. Let's see if it's possible. Are you ready? Go.
Listen and check your answers. 1. The gorilla is an endangered animal. It lives in the forest. It eats plants and insects. 2. The blue whale is an endangered animal. It lives in the sea. It eats